Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I continue review 8 of Apex Ash, my friend, okay? Have the monster survival in the world, okay? Wow, this evolution. Take down all your enemies. Wow, evil, my friend. That's good. Let's go. This level is so fun. Wow. Okay, continue new level. Oh yeah, long arms, my friend. Yeah, I'm level up. Good. I'm so stronger. Take down enemies. Oh, that's so good, my friend. This is my kill. Okay, continue new level. Survival on the world of monster. Uh-oh. Here we go again. Wow. Collect the power to level up, my friend. Wow, my monster is so cute. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, this is a new game, my friend. Yeah. Oh, I think this level is so fun. Continue. Oh no. Here we go again. Collect my zone. Yeah. I'm so stronger and now defeat on your enemies. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Oh, the boss is bigger. And now, oh, level down. Take the new game, my friend. Wow, this is a monster. Okay, run away from the boss bigger. Collect the power to level up, my friend. No. Oh, no. I sure. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, rotor, my friend. Wow. Okay, this is a new level. Oh, my mouse so big. Collect the small monkey to level up. Here we go again. Wow, this bananas. Yeah, that's good. Wow. Okay. Continue new level. Oh, monster. I need the power to level up. Have many monsters so stronger. Okay. Here we go, my friend. Run away from the boss bigger. Be careful, my friend. Okay. I'm so stronger. Okay, continue. Oh no. Wow, this is a new kill, my friend. Make the right choice to succeed this level. Lava monster, so new kill. Yeah, I'm so big. Wow, this is a new kill. So amazing game, my friend. Okay, evolution. Wow. Virus zombie. Virus. Okay. Oh, good. Wow. Okay, this is a new level. Make the right choice to succeed in this level. I think this level too hard, my friend. And this level is the last in the video. If you like this video, give me a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, my friend. Take a big hit. Okay. Oh. Okay. See you in the next video, my friend. Hope you like this video. Okay. Bye, my friend.